So trivially, remember that we said alpha 4 plus beta 4 is equals to, so we have alpha squared plus beta squared. Then this two comes down. So I said you should take the product of this. And the product simply implies that you have alpha, okay, you have alpha square, then beta square. So this is the product. So whatever you have left now is just, you remember that we have actually solved this before. This one was alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta, then all raised to the power of 2. This is 2. Then this implies that you have alpha beta in the bracket and you square it. So that's how it works. There's no way you can actually get the one for alpha 5 plus beta 5. There's no pattern for it because you can't actually break it down into square or into cubes. But I can actually try alpha 6 plus beta 6, which implies that I have alpha cube inside, then I'll put square outside because 3 times 2 will give me the 6. The same thing goes for beta cube, then I'll put square outside. So in this case, we can go ahead and simplify. So we put this in a bracket, so you pick this alpha cube, then plus this beta cube, then you have to square it. So therefore, then follows by negative sign, these two will come down. Then I've taken the addition of the cube. So the next thing is to take their products, alpha cube, beta cube, you multiply them together. So remember that you already have this one already as alpha plus beta all raised to the power of 3 minus 3 alpha beta, then alpha plus beta. Remember that this is what I have for alpha cube plus beta cube. So you square it, then minus 2, and this is alpha beta all raised to the power of 3. So this is the final this is the final result for alpha 6 plus beta 6. So there is no way you can get done for alpha 7 plus beta 7. Just for all prime numbers, you can't actually, the pattern does not work for prime numbers. But you can actually do for alpha 8 plus beta 8. So nobody will ask for this, nobody will ask for this, nobody will ask for this. Since you are still a Java student, the highest you could see is just alpha 4 plus beta 4. So that's how it works. Okay. Then whatever I have to do next is to solve questions from past questions. With this, you should be able to solve or break down any questions based on sum and product root of a quadratic equation. So in my next video, I'll make sure I bring in the question and we solve it together. Okay, thank you.